Candy draws a circle of radius 2x negative 3, and the circle has an area of 9x positive 4. Find x. So this is a question. You can work this out, pause the video, and when we come back, let's see the correct choice. So the solution is, we know the area of the circle is given as pi r squared. So this means pi r squared is equal to 9x positive 4. But r is given as 2x negative 3. So this means, so there is one more component here. It's 9x positive 4 times pi. So this is the next question. Candy draws a circle of radius 2x negative 3, and the circle has a area of 9x positive 4 times pi. Find x. So you can pause this video and work this question out and select the correct choice. When we come back, let's see what the right choice is. Okay, so we are given that the area of the circle is pi r squared. We know the formula, but pi r squared is given as 9x positive 4 times pi. So let me take that. Pi r squared is equal to 9x positive 4 times pi. But the value of r is 2x negative 3. So substitute that. 2x negative 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 9x positive 4 of pi. Now we can cancel these two pi's. So we get 2x negative 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 9x positive 4. You expand this, you get 4x squared negative 2 times of 2x times 3. So that's 4x and 12x positive 9 is equal to 9x positive 4. So move all this to the left hand side. So you get 4 times x squared negative 12x positive 9 negative 9x negative 4 is equal to 0. This is 4x squared. Now you add negative 12x with 9x. So that's going to give you negative 21x. You add 9 with negative 4, that's going to give you 5 is equal to 0. So you have a quadratic, right? I'm going to use negative b plus or minus root of b squared negative 4ac divided by 2 times a. So a is 4, b is negative 21, c is 5. So this is negative of negative 21 plus or minus root of negative 21 squared negative 4 times a times c divided by 2 times of a is 4, right? So 21 and 21, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 1, that's one value. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 20 times of 4 is 80. So from 4, 4, 1 you take away 80, you get a 1 there, and 14, that's going to be 6, and you have 3, 6, 1. So this is 21 plus or minus root of 3, 6, 1 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. So this is what you're getting. Now root of 3, 6, 1 is 19. So it's going to be 19 over 8. Right? So I add a 19 with 21. So 9 and 1, 10, and then 40. So you get 40 over 8. 8 divides 45 times. So this is one value, x is equal to 5. Now 21 negative 19 over 8. So this gives me a value of 2, right? Over 8. 2 divides here 4 times. So this is going to be 1 over 4. Right? 2 divides 8 4 times. So x is equal to 1 over 4. So these two values are being obtained. Now, so x can either be 5 or x can either be 1 over 4. So that should be your correct choice for this lovely question.